Anarchist is a worker-owned, anti-capitalist, anti-colonial cafe, shop, and community space. The shop has a rich selection of progressive political books that he's selling at wholesale price.
So, the anti-capitalist cafe, where he sells coffee and merch. He sells it. I don't know, does he not see the hypocrisy here? He's benefiting from the free market system, from the capitalist system. Reproductive justice for all genders. I need this tote bag immediately. Be gay, do crime. Oh good, another business owned by a rich white guy. I am a white, cisgender, queer man. You're white and cisgender. I'm very sorry about that, by the way, but at least he's queer. So he does have some redeeming qualities. There are some oppression points there that he can collect, but that won't be enough. For the crowd that he's trying to appeal to,